Lahat ng gym pwedeng gumanda katawan mo. Don't get me wrong. Pero merong gym na hindi mo kasi ikayayaman yung environment. So I'm coming from the context of a straight line system, a context of abundance in life. Are you with me? Yes. Diba? Pag yung mga mamahaling gym, ano ang mga clientele? Doktor, lawyer, businessman, right? Merong mga hardcore gym kung gusto mong mag-compete, doon ka. Right? Pagpasok mo pa lang,
Lightweight!
if that's what you want, right? Ako, ayoko na maingay eh. Kaya nga nag-gym ako, madaling araw, gusto ko tahimik. Gusto ko nga, yung gabi-kami lang, masaya kami, ganyan. Ako, pag-focus ka.
Lightweight!
Parang mas marami pa yung sigaw sa buhat eh. I respect that, malalakas sila, pero that's not my thing. Nagagets niyo ako? You have to respect your own space. Nothing wrong with that. Trip nila yan, kaya nga lagi silang sumisigaw eh. Yung trip nila sa buhay nila eh. But the thing is, if you want abundance in life, you have to choose for yourself. Tama, mali?